This is the Ascension harness, an all-in-one dog harness designed to replace all other harnesses. New on Kickstarter from Canadian brand Saker Canine, the Ascension harness combines a daily harness, a crash-tested harness, a dog pack, and a rescue harness into one minimal product. At Saker, we're dog lovers too, so we wanted to design a harness that checked all the boxes. Our dream harness would be water and odor-proof. If your dog goes out in the rain, runs through puddles, or loves to swim, your harness is going to smell like wet dog. Ours won't. Last forever. No plastic, just strong, lightweight, aerospace-grade buckles. And if any part of your harness breaks, we'll repair it for you. Be visible at night. Our harness features rainbow reflective webbing so that your dog is always visible to cars at night. Prevent your dog from pulling. That's right, the leash can be attached to the front of the harness as well as in the back. Be repairable forever. If it breaks, don't worry, just send it to a repair center. Stay put on your dog. The Ascension harness is the first harness that features up to 7 adjustment points. Let your dog carry its stuff. The harness transforms into a backpack so that your dog can carry its own water if you're headed on a multi-hour hike. Keep your dog safe in the car. Just buckle your dog in the car using the car's seatbelt and your dog will be safe against car crashes. And finally, let you carry your dog as a backpack. Paired with our rescue sling, the harness will let you carry your dog in any emergency situation. So whether it's your Monday night walk at the dog park, your Saturday afternoon hike, or even just your daily drive home, the Ascension harness has you covered.